Part of personal branding are your core values, and your core values are uncompromising truths, and they are who you truly are. They guide you, they build your character, not only personally, but also professionally.
An elevator speech is a way to showcase your personal brand. And an elevator speech is a 30-second description that explains what key values define you and what things you could bring to an organization, such as your passion, your goals, your experiences, and what you can do for an organization.
What you really want to concentrate on are what's unique about you. What's your unique value, your unique value proposition? And you really may need to do a little bit of a self-assessment. And if that's tricky for you, ask your friends, close friends, even family members, what are the things that stand out about you that are unique that you have to be able to bring to a specific employer? You want to think about, again, those values, your specific, your character, anything that sets you apart. What are the things that really come to you naturally that you're going to be able to add value to a specific organization? And that's how you're going to be able to start to develop your personal brand.